Okay, sweet. Let's see if we can get an early morning video out about some of the stocks today. Hey y'all, hope you guys are doing good. I'm just kind of waking up last second. Just look at some stuff, see what's going on. Some of the regular stocks I look at, so it might be interesting. Nope. I'm still technically bearish on Apple. I still want to see this thing come down. Excuse me, I think I'm a little selfish on wanting to see it come down. But I don't think it's out of the woods yet. But I mean, it looks primed to pop up, but I don't know if it looks primed to keep going up. So I'll be interested to see. I mean, it'll be on top of these moving averages if it does go up. So support will be like right up here. So I think it'll be pretty evident whether it go up and it come back down before it goes all the way back up. Let's see. What else do we have? Applied materials, still poop. I don't know if this is hitting anything or why. Let's see. Yeah, hey here, right? Yeah. So hey here, so this makes sense. Yep. So there's a 32, 80. Nothing down here would surprise me either. Personally, what am I on it today? Let's see. For the opening bell, I kind of want to say bullish. Kind of looks like it's in a nice place. But not super long term. I mean, I think it's trying to make its way towards 38. So this area here and the 0.5 here. So maybe we'll see it come up and then come down and then go up and hit it. But then we'll have to see what it does there. But I mean, it's in play. I think it's worth looking at. AMD, I still have my price targets for AMD at, I hate to say it, but 2160 and really 1654. And if not 1654, 1533 or 1540. And like, I think here it'll at least push up to 2145. I think this area will still see a push up to here. But like, if it does come down, I definitely think might try to touch 12. So we'll see. I mean, this isn't the first time AMD's done something like this, so I'm still bearish in AMD. I think its next price target, I mean, it could have a price target up today off the start. Like, the question is, nah, I mean, I don't think we've really come up, and I think we need to come down more and then come back up and get rejected here underneath if we want to go down to 21. Maybe, I mean, we could be going straight down. I just imagine it would get hit here somewhere, like here, maybe like 20, like 22, like 60 or something, and then like just get bought up, and then here, and then maybe if it wants to come down. I just don't see a rejection yet, though, so I think it's fine. I don't know if Appian Corp is still important. From my boy Kirby. Let's see. I think we're waiting for the 2.5 on Appian. Yeah, waiting on the 2.5. I think Appian Corp looks like great 2.5 buy. I have to see what's going on with it, though. But fundamentals aside, what it looks like fundamentals of trading, this looks great. At least for like a 2150 to a 26. I'd say at least like at least a 25 to a 26. The high with like a big term goal of like 28.37. Let's see, Alibaba. Typical, it's coming down. Broke downwards wedge, ding, flagged on top right here. This is actually pretty crazy though. I gotta say, this is pretty crazy. But got rejected, so none of this is, you can say none of this is obvious, but this is all obvious once it comes under. Boom, bounce, under. Rejection, so anyway, I'm gonna start short on Baba. I think it could open up. It'll be interesting to see. This will probably publish at 15 after it opens, so this will be interesting to see. I mean, it bounced off here already and it came up. I hate to say that it might be something like blank, boom, and then it'll get caught up like that. This is a 4 hour though, so maybe if we're on like the 3 minute, I think it might open under, which could be really bad. I'm gonna make its way back up. We'll see. It's already used the support, so it's hard to tell. I mean, where it'll open anyway, it's hard to tell. Once it starts going. We still haven't hit our target of 131 down here. Bank of America. Still looks like poop. I mean, we had a nice downwards. Like wing, wing, wing. And then instead of going wing, and doing it here. Instead of doing this, like, we just went down 2 levels, and now we've been rejected here. And we continue to flag towards a rejection. I don't know. I mean, it's got to go back up again, I feel like. But it got rejected here already, so it feels kind of hard to tell. Overall, I'd probably still be bearish on it. I mean, it's under the previous target. And my target was 2880 or 25, right? Maybe I'm thinking of something else. Maybe I deleted it. Pretty sure 25 was like my other target. Let's see. I gotta just zoom out. Yeah, 25 is my next target. I'm missing something, a fib. I guess I deleted it a while ago. Let me look at this real quick. From my own thing. Basic attention token's doing pretty well right now. I wonder if something came out for it. Oh well. State of stocks. Wow, really on B. Let's go quick. Canopy growth. Another stable one. Oops. This is something from the other day. I thought the trajectory it might make if it went downwards, but I still think the same thing's in play where it could use this and then probably find resistance here and then come down, which is why I think it's so important that this opens up a decent amount. That looks really nice there. So this looks like it's set to open up. We'll see how far out. 48 would be nice. And then maybe come down to 47, 53, and then push up. Someone's trying to get this to get sent up. Ooh, Ethereum still looks horrible. Let's see. Forward. I don't know if I have enough time for it. There's 45 seconds left in the video. Forward, I'm still. I hate to say it, I still feel like I'm kind of like bearish on it. The question is, if we look at this like long term, this could just be like short term rejections, and it could find support somewhere. Let's see. Is there anywhere nearby, local? I mean, this just came down. I'm so bearish on Ford and cars in general. Like, why people aren't going to need to buy new cars that often. Like, there can only be so many cars, so much access. Oh well, take care, y'all. I'll make another video for the other stuff.